What is systematic desensitization in CBT for phobias? Have you ever felt an overwhelming fear that stops you in your tracks? If so, you might be interested in a technique called systematic desensitization, especially if you are dealing with a phobia. This method is part of cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, and it focuses on reducing those intense phobic reactions. So, how does it work? First, let's talk about the foundation of systematic desensitization. It is based on classical conditioning principles. This means that instead of associating a feared object or situation with anxiety, you learn to connect it with relaxation. This shift is key to overcoming phobias. The process involves three main steps. The first step is creating a fear hierarchy. This means you will list out all the situations or objects that trigger your fear. You rank them from the least scary to the most frightening. This helps you understand what you are dealing with and prepares you for the next steps. The second step is learning relaxation techniques. These techniques can include deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, visualization, or mindfulness. Learning how to relax is essential because of a principle called reciprocal inhibition. This principle states that you cannot feel both relaxed and fearful at the same time. Now let's move on to the third step, which is gradual exposure. You start with the least feared item on your list. While facing this situation, you practice your relaxation techniques. This exposure is repeated in a controlled manner, allowing you to gradually work your way up the hierarchy. As you become more comfortable, you tackle more challenging situations. Through this process, you learn to countercondition your fear response. Over time, you will find that you can confront your fears with much less anxiety. This method is particularly effective for specific phobias and other anxiety disorders. In CBT, systematic desensitization serves as a practical way to change unhelpful emotional and behavioral responses. It helps you modify the way you think about your fears while also changing your behavior. This structured approach provides support as you learn to manage and overcome your fears. So, if you are struggling with phobias, systematic desensitization might be a helpful tool to consider. It offers a step-by-step way to regain control over your reactions and live a more relaxed life.